Hi, doctor. I am currently having trouble falling asleep. I see. Let's find out what's causing your distress. Okay, that's a start. Tell me more.
This is the future of the many sectors and many fields.
The functionality of virtual clinic, Mentalverse, and Brainverse is basically quite similar.
Somebody he have any mental issues, he doesn't declare it or he doesn't go to the doctor. For our technology here, we are looking for end-to-end solutions.
Sometimes you enter and there's no one in front of you. That means the doctor is just arriving.
Psychologists and healthcare professionals, they can help us.
We've made it compatible with the phone and the laptop or computer as well.
I believe this technology will treat a lot of behavioral issues.
Yeah, we were speaking about the mental health. Yeah, when it comes to military professionals, there are a lot of issues going on today because they are facing the trauma on daily basis, and meanwhile they cannot speak up in front of people because the society is in such a status that they think like military is something very different. People will not have any emotions. These kind of things have been fed in the society. So the military personnel will have these kind of issues, the stigma. How do you think the military mental verse will help them to come out of this and get a better life?
Yeah, so basically that's actually the main purpose as well why we created Military Mentalverse, is to be able to support these military veterans or even the ones who are still on site right now as well. It's because social stigma has been a problem globally for generations, and it's been there, it's normal. So that's why we created this module as well, to be able to help, like, for example, veterans who are suffering from PTSD or any psychological problems, or having trouble of sleeping. Even from my experience, I have a good friend of mine from the Philippines. He served the US military for 6 years. Even he has these kinds of experiences. He's talked to me about it too in the past. So I think Military Mentalverse will be a great gateway for them to express their emotions to the doctor or the psychologist, and it will be a big help for them as well. Like, the doctor will be able to prescribe them the right medication that they need to take to help them as well, to ease their pain mentally as well. So yeah, I think this module will be such a great solution for them. It will help them a lot to solve their problems.
Yeah, you have thought it very well because nowadays who will think about militaries? All will think like they are born to be heroes and they don't have emotions. But when it comes to multiverse and specifically if we are creating something for them, that will be really helpful for them to come out of this issue. Yeah. So that is great about your company. Coming back to Ali, we want to know what else you have in your pocket when it comes to multiverse platform.
Yes, also with regards to the military, we're trying also to build a platform also for education and training that, sometimes all the time in the war, there is a lot of pressure, I cannot imagine it even, so a lot of person will panic through saving life. So we want also to build a military training and education platform that will help the armies, to how to act during the reality, during the situation that they are passing through. And again, like we said for the simulation, it can help the army to save life, to which injection they have to use during the hard situation that they are passing through. With regards to another fields and another innovations, I would like to speak that currently multiverse technology and with the help of Go Digital Marketing Company, it is also one of our companies with the team that they are helping here, the developer from inside the country and outside the country. We're trying to build our city in the metaverse where we have a lot of investors, they would like to make different services in this city. So it's type of a biggest dream for us, to build a city in the metaverse where we can not only focus on the healthcare, where we can focus on different fields. You know, as a user, you can go make shopping, for example. You can go to the virtual clinic. You can go to multiple, to use this metaverse as a full experience for you, not only focusing on one field. Of course, everything in this city will be copyrighted, it will be secured with NFTs, for any trading in the future through the electronic currencies to ensure that this is belong to you as a user and not anyone else, So yes, we're building our Gaia city, we call it. We already mentioned, we put name for this city, and now currently we're trying to develop different sector in the city so the journey of the user will be in full, to enjoy it as well, not only to check issues or other things in the healthcare, no, to go through the experience itself, to find yourself as well in the metaverse. What I want from the metaverse depends on you. Do you want game? Do you want entertainment? Do you want exercises? Do you want to learn new education things, maybe karate, So yes, we are trying to build the city from scratch, okay? And there is a lot of investors now. Of course, they want to build their own investment through this platform, and we are welcome for all as well in this innovation.
This is a fantastic, adventurous concept because we have seen this only in gaming when we were children, and we used to go through all the games in which there was an environment like same how you mentioned here. But I think this will be a very different one from all those things because you are feeling like you are in a dream where you are entering the places, and wherever you want you can go there and you just have conversation with people who are your friends. Maybe they are not with you now, but they are 1,000 kilometers far away from there, but today he is in front of you, and this experience, I think it will be mind-boggling actually.
And this is, it will connect, us as a human in this platform over the world as well. No need for payments, to enjoy the experience as well, to go inside and to build communication. So it is type of a new connection of us, in this platform as well, like the social media.
Exactly. Even in social media, it will not come very near. I mean, far, far away. Social media is very different from what you have explained now, because it's about reality. And like, I can feel that you are in front of me, but in social media, I feel like, you are in my WhatsApp group, but you are somewhere else. That is the difference when it comes to multiverse technology or metaverse sphere, concept. So it was a pleasure meeting you in this special interview. We had lots of questions regarding metaverse, and the understanding about the metaverse became even easier for us, and our viewers will be really hopeful that they have understood things which was out of context, which they would take many years to learn about. But this interview actually gave a lot of insights regarding the metaverse and the multiverse technology, particularly about the military thing, what you have explained. Then it will be really helpful for people to understand, and I hope viewers will be having lots of questions. Maybe they will come back to you or your company regarding the things what we discussed today. So finally, I want to thank both of you for being a part of this interview, and better luck with your this innovative product, and I hope this will help the health sector of UAE as well as around the globe with a very ease for the end users and the patients who are now feeling the trauma and going through different kind of disorders, and their hesitations will come to an end with products like this, and it will make people's life better. And if you have any message at the end of this interview, you can actually go forward.
Thank you, Mr. Ishrad, for having us today in your interview as well. And going back to what you mentioned, if any of the viewers or any of the public who will be watching this interview, if there will be any questions from our side or any, anything that you would want to know, about the metaverse and multiverse technologies, or go digital marketing and Riada, we are open to any of the people who are curious and would like to know more, basically, about our services. And we're always here to help everyone as well. And this was a very exciting interview, and we are very happy that we're able to share our module on our platform and what we're cooking up as well.
Okay. We would like to thank you, Muhammad, today for joining us this fruitful conversation, about the new innovations and also your team. And we really appreciate your effort, and support in bringing this platform to the light. Yes, we would like everyone to hear about the new innovation that we will help others, and will take us to different dimensions. We see this is the future, and of course, with a lot of efforts and support, we will make this dream to be a reality, and nothing wrong here to dream big, and but the most important, the practice and the plans, and the deadlines that we are putting here as a team, to reach our targets. This is important for us, and yes, we would like to hear any inquiries or concern about this platform. It will be our pleasure to answer it as well, and this is our message for everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Maybe we